My name is Girma Bitsuamlak. I'm one of the wind engineering professor, and I'm the director of the WindEEE Research Institute that houses the WindEEE Dome, the bound layer wind tunnel laboratory in the main campus, and we have also the Three Little Pig that was established by Greg Hopp. By the way, we have one of the best aerodynamists among us, and it is by the other side of the airport. When you say aerodynamics, it means shape effect. The roof of the shape, the detail on the side, the way the buildings are arranged, what kind of exposure it has, all affects the wind load. Then we quantify each accurately here. On the positive side, if wind load is affected by a design parameter, you can design it so that you reduce the wind load as well. That is the beauty. So we can literally control the impact of tornadoes through good research, or impact of any other wind system. Now, and I will show you how we spin tornado. The Western bound layer wind tunnel is the first of its kind. It was established by around 1965 by most talented wind engineer Alan Davenport. When structural engineers in New York were planning to design the World Trade Center, the Twin Towers, they were concerned about wind load, and they approached this young wind engineer, and he figured out, maybe he could make a model like airplane and study it in the wind tunnel. At that time, there was no suitable wind tunnel. He went ahead and hired an environmental wind tunnel. That led into the formation of the proper bound layer wind tunnel, mimicking the flow near the ground surface, and that is in the main campus. Since then, whether it is the way we measure pressure or forces, or the way we produce different wind system in the laboratory, we keep inventing. This is another addition to that capability. In 2012, the grant was issued to this, and 2014, the construction was over. The past decade, we were perfecting the different kind of wind system. It's a long process. Now we are research ready, we have been building houses for, of course, ages, but the way we build still today, the residential building, the houses, it is not engineered, It is amazing, how weak they are. We need to reinforce the code. That's where ICLR is helping us. The research we do, they take it out. They speak the language of the builder, the language of the insurance industry, and they make them aware. And there's a beautiful partnership between ICLR and the WindEEE research facilities.
We are the Institute for Catastrophic Loss Reduction. Visit ICLR.org to learn more.